Focus mode is a setting that changes how you can interact with the UI. It's useful in situations where the scroll wheel doesn't behave as expected. This usually happens when interacting with apps that aren't made for DigiOS, such as Android settings or permission pop-ups. We will be using the Android settings as an example, which can be accessed via Advanced from Settings. Focus mode can only be activated by using your voice. The voice command to activate the setting is Enable Focus Mode. Once focus mode has been activated, you will see a series of UI elements pop up. The focus mode banner will appear at the top center of the screen, along with a series of numbers. These numbers represent clickable buttons or options you can select. Focus mode has two different ways of interaction. You can control it by using Voice UI or the scroll wheel. To control focus mode using Voice UI, there are several different commands you can use depending on what you want to do. Using the voice command, scroll down will move the page downward, while using the voice command, scroll up will move the page upward. You can also use the scroll wheel to either scroll up or down. The voice command, go back, will send you back a page. Double pressing the scroll wheel also sends you back. To make a selection, you can use the voice command, select item, followed by the number you want to select. For example, let's use the voice command, select item 4. This will open up the option that was labeled as number 4. Alternatively, pressing the scroll wheel while the item you want is highlighted will also make the selection. You can continue to use either method to navigate around the UI. To exit focus mode and resume normal interaction, use the voice command, disable focus mode. Once focus mode is disabled, you will see the focus mode banner and numbers disappear. Navigating using focus mode becomes easy once you get the hang of it. Give it a try if you ever find yourself using an app that wasn't made for DigiOS.